Unseen Tours is a social enterprise based in London that runs walking tours led by people with experience of homelessness. We coach them to deliver tours of different areas of London. We currently have 6 different tours, one in King's Cross, London Bridge, Brixton, West India Quay, Canning Town, and Westminster. They lead and actually develop and curate their own tour where they talk about the different landmarks and areas of London, but also they talk about social issues affecting people who live in the area and issues around homelessness. And oftentimes they also talk about their own experience of homelessness and how it affected their life.
I was inspired to become a guide for unseen tours by a love of history, a passion for research, and because of the social aspect.
It's got me back into being motivated again. I hadn't been working, so now that I'm starting to work again, it's given me some sort of a purpose. I've been doing something that I enjoy and also something that I've helped create myself.
Training can take between 3 to 6 months to develop a single tour. What's really important to us is to capture the stories and the experiences of our tour guides and bring that into the narrative. So I work with guides on a one-to-one basis, helping them share their stories in a really empathetic way, making sure that it's trauma-informed throughout the process. The knowledge that our guides have of the local communities is phenomenal. You could have a tour that lasts a whole week with the amount of knowledge that they have.
Our tours are a great opportunity for people with experience of homelessness to earn an income, but it's also an opportunity for our customers or the people who come on our tours to learn more about homelessness and change their perspectives.
There's a lot of stereotypes because me personally, I have lived in a homeless accommodation. Also, I was studying at university. So I guess it's to break down the stereotypes of homelessness, that homeless people can be doing professional things.
The funding landscape is quite challenging at the moment, and most of the funding available, which is very limited in the first place, is mostly tied to specific projects or specific timelines. We're launching a crowdfunder to help us raise more unrestricted funds, to help us invest into the development of new walking tours led by more people with experience of homelessness. Please donate to the crowdfunder so we can train more guides with experience of homelessness.